Week 4 mini TED Talk. How many of you have pets at home? Specifically, how many of you have dogs at home? I have 5 dogs, and they are my world. I love them with my whole heart, and I would do anything for any of them. Now, how would you feel if you learned that one of your pets was stolen from you? For me, that's my biggest fear. Now, what if you learned that not only was your pet stolen, but they were being beaten and tortured? And not only that, they were in a slaughterhouse being prepared for common consumption. If that doesn't turn your stomach and enrage you, you came to the wrong TED Talk. We're going to be talking about the dog meat trade. Now, if many of you haven't heard about the dog meat trade, it is most popular in South Korea. It's been going on for decades, and the mass majority of Koreans eating dogs are the older generation. Luckily, the younger generation has seen how horrific this is and don't contribute. Now, you might be wondering, why would you even think about eating dog? Hasn't even crossed my mind. Why would it cross these Koreans' minds? Well, it's considered to be a delicacy. They believe that it holds nutritional value, which is questionable. Now, in the next slides, you will be seeing some visual aids. They are pretty graphic, so just a warning. These are how these dogs are being kept. They're being crammed in small cages with multiple other dogs. They are being zip-tied. They are not in any condition we would wish any animal to be in, regardless if they're pets or farm animals. This type of treatment is just horrific. Now, you might be wondering, okay, I see they're in these horrific conditions, but you said they're being tortured. This is what I mean. Hung in plain view in front of all these other dogs, cut from sternum to throat, thrown in a disgusting pot full of boiling water to be boiled alive. What's not seen is how they're stolen, they're beaten, they're electrocuted. It is truly disgusting and horrific to view. Now, after seeing these, you might be wondering, I want to contribute. I want to put a stop to this as well. What can I do? Well, Humane Society International thought the same thing. They have done tremendous work in shutting these slaughterhouses down in South Korea. They have had people go undercover to document and investigate these areas. They have provided visual aids and videos and interviews to be shown to the proper authorities, to the public, to get people talking, to get this horrific thing shut down. It is crucial that we put a stop to this. These animals cannot be treated like this. They cannot be stolen. They cannot be bred for consumption. They're man's best friend. To even think about eating them is the most disgusting thing I could think of. Now, seeing all this information, I'm sure you're like me and want to donate, want to volunteer, want to do anything you can. These are the links you need to look at. Humane Society is the perfect place. You also might be wondering, these dogs that you said they rescue, where are they now? Click the links and no dogs left behind. If you want to rescue a dog from dog meat trade, that's the place you need to go to. I hope this has been informational and this has pushed you to do more.